500,000 miles. No engine rebuilds. No major repairs. Sounds impossible, right? Most people think cars are just disposable appliances, designed to be replaced every few years. They believe a car hitting 200,000 miles is on its last legs. But what if I told you that's a myth? What if the secret to a car that lasts 500,000 miles isn't some expensive, high-tech upgrade, but a series of simple, proven habits? Stay with me, because today we're revealing the exact habits that separate the scrapyard candidates from the high-mileage legends. Welcome to the channel. We're not here to talk about gimmicks or so-called mechanic secrets. We're talking about discipline and habits. These aren't expensive modifications. They're straightforward practices that any car owner, from beginner to experienced driver, can adopt today. Think of your car less like a machine and more like a living system. These habits are what keep its heart, the engine, beating strong for decades. They are the difference between a car that dies and a car that endures. Let's dive in. First, and most important, religious oil changes. You've heard it a million times, but do you really understand why? Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It doesn't just lubricate. It cools, it cleans, and it protects every single moving part from grinding itself into dust. The manufacturer might say you can go 10,000, even 15,000 miles between changes. Ignore that. That's for the average owner who leases a car for 3 years. We're not average. We're aiming for legendary. Cut that interval in half. 5,000 miles, or 6 months, whichever comes first. Use high-quality synthetic oil. For the cost of a few extra oil changes a year, you are buying your engine hundreds of thousands of miles of life. Short intervals beat long intervals every single time. It's the cheapest, most effective engine insurance you can buy. Habit number 2. Never, ever ignore small noises. Your car is constantly talking to you. That faint squeak when you turn the wheel? That new, subtle vibration you feel through the floor? That tiny ticking sound that wasn't there last week? That's your car sending you a message. Most people turn up the radio and hope it goes away. High-mileage owners listen. They investigate. A small noise is often the first symptom of a minor issue: a wearing belt, a loose bolt, a failing bearing. Caught early, it's a cheap and easy fix. Ignored, that tiny squeak becomes a shredded belt that leaves you stranded. That little knock becomes a catastrophic engine failure. Learn the normal sounds of your car so you can immediately spot the abnormal ones. Your ears are one of your best diagnostic tools. Remember, small problems, when ignored, love to grow into big, expensive repairs. Next up, a habit that costs you nothing but a little patience. Warm up and cool down your engine properly. When your engine is cold, the oil is thick and hasn't fully circulated. Firing it up and immediately revving it to 3,000 RPM is like waking someone up by screaming in their face and telling them to run a marathon. It's brutal. Instead, start your car and let the idle settle for 30 seconds to a minute. That's all it takes. Then, drive gently for the first few miles, keeping the RPMs low until the temperature gauge reaches its normal operating position. This allows the engine and its metal components to expand evenly and the oil to get everywhere it needs to be. The same applies to turbocharged engines, but in reverse. After a hard drive, don't just shut the engine off. Let it idle for a minute. This allows the turbocharger, which can spin at over 100,000 RPM and get incredibly hot, to cool down gradually. This prevents the oil inside from cooking and creating deposits that will eventually kill it. Gentle starts matter. Heat kills engines. Treat your engine with mechanical sympathy. Habit number 4. Understand that fluids are not optional. And lifetime fluid is the biggest myth in the auto industry. Beyond engine oil, your car relies on several other critical fluids: transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Manufacturers often claim these are filled for life. Whose life? The life of the warranty, maybe. Not the 500,000-mile life we're aiming for. These fluids break down over time. Transmission fluid loses its lubricating properties, leading to rough shifts and, eventually, a burned-out transmission that costs thousands to replace. Coolant becomes acidic and loses its ability to prevent corrosion, eating away at your engine from the inside. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, which can cause your brakes to fail when you need them most. Check your fluids regularly and follow a proactive replacement schedule, not the manufacturer's bare minimum recommendation. For a few $100s in fluid services every couple of years, you can prevent 5-figure repair bills down the road. This brings us to habit 5. fix leaks immediately. A small drip of oil on your driveway might seem harmless, but it's a huge warning sign. It's not just about the fluid you're losing. It's about what the leak signifies. A leak means a seal has failed, a gasket has broken, or a hose has cracked. That small oil leak could be from a valve cover gasket, which is a relatively cheap fix. But if that oil drips onto a hot exhaust manifold, you have a fire risk. If it drips onto a rubber belt, it will cause the belt to degrade and snap. A small coolant leak means air is getting into your cooling system, which can cause overheating and catastrophic engine damage. Any spot under your car is a call to action. Get it diagnosed. Get it fixed. A clean engine bay and a dry driveway aren't just for looks. They are signs of a healthy, well-maintained machine. A leak is a warning. Listen to it. Habit number 6 is all about you, the driver. Drive smart, not aggressive. The way you drive has a direct, massive impact on the lifespan of every component in your car. Think about it. Slamming on the gas and screeching to a halt at every red light puts immense stress on your engine, your transmission, your brakes, and your suspension. It's like sprinting everywhere instead of walking. Sure, you might get there a few seconds faster, but you'll wear yourself out. Be smooth. Anticipate traffic flow. Accelerate gently and brake gradually. This not only saves fuel, but also reduces wear and tear dramatically. Smooth inputs are kind to your car. Every time you avoid a jerky movement, you're adding miles to your car's life. Your driving style literally writes your repair bill. A calm driver has a calm, reliable car. Habit number 7 is the one that ties it all together. Maintenance schedule discipline. Your car's owner's manual contains a service schedule. This isn't a suggestion, it's a battle plan for longevity. This schedule outlines when to replace not just fluids, but also parts designed to wear out. Belts, spark plugs, filters, and timing belts or chains. High-mileage owners treat this schedule like law. They don't wait for a part to fail. They replace it proactively. Waiting for your timing belt to snap will destroy your engine. Replacing it at the recommended interval costs a fraction of a new engine. Keep a logbook. Track every service, every repair, every part replaced. Being disciplined about maintenance is the ultimate defense against unexpected, catastrophic failures. Remember the golden rule. Maintenance always beats repair. And for a quick bonus tip, a clean car isn't just about looking good. Keeping your car clean, especially the undercarriage and engine bay, is a form of preventative maintenance. Road salt, grime, and mud trap moisture against the metal, accelerating rust and corrosion, which can eat away at your car's frame, brake lines, and fuel lines. A clean engine bay makes it easier to spot leaks and other issues early. When you're washing your car, don't forget to spray out the wheel wells and under the body. A clean car is a car you can inspect easily. A clean car is a car that ages slower. So, there you have it. These aren't tricks, they are commitments. A car that lasts 500,000 miles is not an accident. It is the result of a conscious, long-term mindset. It's proof that with the right habits, you can achieve incredible longevity and reliability from your machine. Cars don't just fail, they are failed by neglect. By adopting these habits, you're not just saving money on repairs, you're building a relationship with your vehicle, transforming it from a disposable tool into a trusted, long-term partner. You are in control. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, give this video a like and subscribe for more content to help you drive smart and keep your car running forever. See you in the next one.